Imagine if your eyes could see more than just the rainbow of colors that make up our world. Imagine being able to see heat waves rippling off of animals or ultraviolet rays revealing the hidden fluorescent markings of a moth. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's reality for many animals across the globe, and we are just beginning to understand their secret superpowers. In this journey through the animal kingdom, we will meet creatures who can detect the invisible spectrum of light around them, from the super cool infrared rays to the mesmerizing ultraviolet waves. Get ready to unlock the secrets of nature as hidden wonders as we explore the incredible animals that see what we can't. Infrared eyes, seeing the heat signature. Have you ever wondered how animals like snakes and some birds can see the heat signature of their prey or predators, even in complete darkness? The answer lies in their unique ability to detect infrared radiation. You see, all objects emit some amount of infrared radiation, which is related to their temperature. Hotter objects emit more energy in the infrared spectrum. This means an animal's body heat can be detected by the infrared radiation it gives off. But how do animals with infrared vision actually use this ability? Well, pit vipers, a group of venomous snakes including rattlesnakes and copperheads, have specialized heat-sensing pits between their eyes and nostrils. These pits contain membrane-covered receptors that respond to infrared radiation. When these receptors are triggered, they send signals to the snake's brain, creating a visual display of the heat signature of its target. This allows snakes to hunt effectively even in total darkness and helps them identify potential threats. Similarly, some birds such as the common poor will have evolved to see the infrared radiation reflected from other animals. This ability helps them locate prey, especially during nocturnal hunting when visibility is low. Their eyes have a special pigment that makes them sensitive to infrared light, enabling them to navigate and hunt in near darkness. Ultraviolet vision, a world glowing under the sun. Ever wondered why some butterflies and moths have vibrant colors that seem to glow under the sun? The answer lies in their ability to see beyond the visible spectrum, specifically in the ultraviolet range. Ultraviolet light has wavelengths shorter than what humans can see, and many animals have evolved to utilize this spectrum for various purposes. One example is the common blue-ringed octopus, one of the most venomous creatures on Earth. Its skin reflects ultraviolet light, making it appear to shimmer with an otherworldly glow. This stunning adaptation serves both as camouflage and communication, helping the octopus blend into its surroundings and potentially signaling its toxicity to predators. Butterflies and moths have also adapted to thrive in the ultraviolet spectrum. Their wings often feature intricate patterns that are only visible under UV light. These patterns act as guides, helping pollinators navigate to the flowers they need to feed on. In fact, many flowers have UV reflective guides on their petals, making them more accessible to insects seeking nectar. Additionally, some nocturnal moths use UV vision to find their way to flowering plants where they can feed on nectar and pollen. Moths belonging to the Arabia family have two types of photoreceptor cells in their eyes, one sensitive to visible light and the other to ultraviolet light. This dual sensitivity allows them to navigate efficiently, ensuring they reach their floral destinations without getting lost in the darkness. Seeing electricity, detecting the spark of life. If you were zapped by a jellyfish, would you know what to do? Well, certain fish such as mudskippers have the incredible ability to see electricity, thanks to specialized receptors in their heads that can sense weak electric fields. This ability allows them to detect the presence of prey and navigate murky waters. Jellyfish also possess a unique ability to sense electrical fields, but they can see it in a different way. They have specialized nerve cells called electroreceptors embedded in their skin, which are sensitive to even the faintest electrical signals produced by their prey. These receptors are particularly useful in dark or murky waters where vision is limited, allowing jellyfish to track down their unsuspecting prey with ease. The mudskipper's ability to see electricity is even more remarkable. They have evolved to have specialized organs called ampulla of Lorenzini in their heads, which contain receptors that can detect changes in the strength and direction of weak electric fields. These receptors allow mudskippers to perceive the bioelectric signals given off by other animals, helping them locate prey. These abilities are crucial for the survival of these fish, particularly in murky environments where visibility is low. By harnessing the power of electricity, they can navigate treacherous waters, find their prey, and evade predators. Seeing sound, where music meets vision. If you could see music, how would it look? Well, some animals such as bats and dolphins can literally see sound waves, an ability known as echolocation. Echolocation enables these creatures to navigate, find food, and communicate by emitting sound waves and interpreting their echoes. Bats emit high-frequency sounds that travel outward from their mouths or noses. These sound waves bounce off objects in their environment, creating echoes. By analyzing the returning sound waves, bats can determine the size, shape, and location of nearby objects, allowing them to navigate even in complete darkness. Similarly, dolphins use echolocation to identify prey, navigate, and communicate underwater. They produce a range of sounds, including whistles and clicks, which they emit through their melon, a fatty structure in their foreheads. These sounds travel underwater where they are reflected back to the dolphin as echoes. Dolphins can interpret these echoes to locate prey, map their surroundings, and even identify individual objects such as coral heads. This ability is crucial for their survival as it helps them find food, avoid obstacles, and communicate with each other in the vast ocean. Polarized light vision, navigating nature's compass. Ever wondered how bees and some birds navigate over thousands of miles each year during migration? The answer lies in their ability to see polarized light. You see, when light waves reflect off surfaces such as water, foliage, or the sky, they become partially polarized. This means that the waves vibrate mostly in a single plane. Animals that can see polarized light have a special advantage as they can use the sky as a compass to help them navigate over long distances. Bees have evolved to utilize polarized light vision, which allows them to gather important information about the sun's position, even when it is hidden behind clouds. They have special light receptors in their compound eyes that are sensitive to the direction of polarized light waves. By gathering information from these receptors, bees can determine the sun's location and maintain a consistent flight path during foraging trips. Birds, too, rely on polarized light vision for successful navigation during migration. Many bird species undertake thousands of miles each year, and maintaining a straight course is crucial for their survival. Birds like indigo buntings have the ability to see polarized light, which helps them navigate long distances. Their eyes contain specialized photoreceptors that allow them to perceive the direction of polarized light. Using this ability, birds can maintain a consistent flight path, ensuring they reach their destination safely and efficiently. Seeing the future, anticipating the next move. Have you ever wondered how animals like dragonflies and honeybees perform such complex aerial maneuvers with such precision? The answer lies in their ability to see what's coming next, literally. These insects can predict the movement of objects based on the visual information they receive, allowing them to react accordingly. Dragonflies, skilled aerial predators, can capture their insect prey mid-flight. They achieve this by utilizing a remarkable ability to predict the trajectory of their prey. Dragonflies have exceptional visual acuity and can process visual information extremely quickly. As a result, they can accurately forecast the future location of their prey, enabling them to intercept them in midair with astonishing precision. Similarly, honeybees can anticipate the motion of approaching objects, such as potential threats like birds of prey or foraging rivals. Their visual system processes information rapidly, allowing them to predict the path of incoming objects. This predictive ability enables honeybees to take evasive action, safeguarding themselves against potential threats while they collect pollen and nectar. Seen in slow motion, capturing every frame, ever wondered how peregrine falcons can capture their prey? Mostly pigeons in mid-flight at speeds exceeding 240 miles per hour. The answer lies in their ability to see in slow motion, a superpower that allows them to track and capture fast-moving targets with ease. Peregrine falcons can see 12 distinct frames of motion for every second of a pigeon's movement. This remarkable ability is made possible by their uniquely large eyes, which contain more than twice the number of cone cells found in human eyes. These cone cells are responsible for color vision and are highly sensitive to motion. With such acute visual capabilities, peregrine falcons can lock onto their prey with precision, ensuring a successful hunt even at high speeds. From infrared heat signatures to the ultraviolet patterns on a moth's wing, the animal kingdom is filled with creatures that see beyond the visible spectrum. These animals' abilities not only help them survive in their environments, but also provide us with valuable insights into the hidden wonders of the natural world. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky or walk through a forest, remember that there's much more to see than meets the eye. There's a whole spectrum of hidden wonders all around us, waiting to be discovered.